Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MBRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. But a very, very nice day today. It actually started off on Friday. You can see the price slowly began to kind of come to life again, but then the big bang happened, this morning when all that volume came in and the price reacted very nicely with it. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance. Ideal level of support, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That'd be right here at $2.65. Now, I'm not saying that if the price drops below $2.65 that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that, but as far as what would be the best case scenario, what would, like I said, make the chart look the most attractive, definitely if the price can stay above $2.65, that would do exactly that. Let me make sure I'm not. All right, so now from the big picture perspective and measuring the health of the move, what do I mean by the move? Well, this here, that being the move, how can you measure the health of that? To me, it all revolves around the purple line down there, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I fully realize that line's way down there, and the price closed way up there. Keyword there being moving average, meaning as time goes on by, that line is going to move its way upward. So the very black and white way to look at things is as long as the price is up above that purple line, bulls are in full control, bulls are in full health. When you stop and think about it, like I said, that line is going to be moving upwards. So what does the price have to do in order to stay above a line that's moving upwards? Well, the price itself needs to continue to move upwards and put in those higher lows. And prices that are moving upwards, well, that just implies that, the bulls are in full control. So that's why that purple line, very simplistic way to measure and, the health of the bulls. And as long as the price is above there, bulls are in, their heart's pumping just fine. Now, what about levels of resistance? Initial area of resistance right there at, we'll call it the $3 mark. After $3, had some sellers show up right there at about $3.25. And then after those two, you can start to talk about, potentially going up to the previous highs here, up around 360s. But before you start talking about the highs, from up here, bulls first got to get above, these, I should say, cross these couple bridges right there. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.